Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to invite on stage for the welcome address by Mr. Zishan Ijaz. Zishan Ijaz is a council member and chairman Fiscal Laws Committee of ICAP. He is a tax partner in KPMG Tasir Hadi and Company since 2009 and is also head of office management for KPMG Lahore. He has served over 20 years in profession. Mr. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome in a big round of applause, Mr. Zishan Ijaz.
Assalamu alaikum. In Lahore, Karachi, and in Islamabad. I hope everybody can hear me. We are here for the post-budget conference. हर साल budget का ये time आता है. And there are always mixed feelings, whether before the budget and after the budget. इस दफा उसमें थोड़ा सा टॉप अप हुआ था. Budget was supposed to be initially come on 2nd या 3rd of June, which was delayed after a week. तो शायद गवर्नमेंट के ख्यालात थे कि शायद ईद अच्छी गुजर जाए. सो जिससे आइडिया हो गया था कि बजट आना कैसा है. अदरवाइज अगर कुछ बेहतरी वाला एलिमेंट होता तो शायद ईद से पहले प्रेजेंट कर दिया जाता. एनीवेज बजट को अगर आप देखेंगे तो प्रैक्टिकली आई थिंक I have my own thoughts on that, but I feel कि बहुत ज़्यादा innovation या basic चीज़ों को address नहीं किया गया, जिसमें especially if you talk about increasing the tax base वाला element. It's more like a figure crunching sort of an exercise, जिसमें शायद ultimate target को सामने रखते हुए रेट्स में फ्लक्चुएशन की गई 5 को 10%, 8 को 9% एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. बहुत ज्यादा टैक्स बेस का जो इशू एलिमेंट जो अक्सर कहा जाता रहा है उस पर बहुत ज्यादा फोकस नहीं किया गया. एक और चीज जिस पे बहुत ज्यादा फोकस की गई है, दैट्स मोर ऑन दी आई वुड से एनफोर्समेंट साइड, और वो भी ऑन दी एंगल जिसमें रिकवरीज और हार्डशिप फॉर दी टैक्स पेयर्स, उस पर बहुत फोकस किया गया है. जिसमें पिछले 3-4 हफ्ते पहले एक ऑर्डिनेंस आया है जो कि अब बिल का हिस्सा बनाया गया है. मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आवर ऑनरेबल पैनलिस्ट एंड एक्सपर्ट्स विल कमेंट ऑन दैट. आई डोंट वांट टू शेयर my thoughts on that. I am obviously not much favor of what is happening. Additionally, जो एक चीज बहुत हाईलाइट की गई है वो किया गया है, FBR को empower किया गया है for referring the audit firms to AOB. We all have reservations on that, and as we speak, पिछले कुछ दिनों से भी उस पर बात चल रही थी from the institute perspective. So I would like to share that the institute is already in the process of drafting our concerns on that, and that would be shortly will be forwarded to the FBR on that. West Bhai and few other council members, they are working on it. So we intend to agitate that potential action or proposal. Additionally, coming to post-budget seminar, we have tried to make it a little bit more interactive and make it conduct it in a manner that more involvement might be there. हम तीनों stations पे there would be, as of now it's live and all connected, but तीनों stations पे all sessions would be conducted independently other than economy session, which will go live again being conducted from Islamabad. Historically यहाँ पे 3 sessions हुआ करते थे post budget seminar में. एक डायरेक्ट टैक्सेस का होता था, एक इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस का होता था और इकोनॉमी का होता था. जनरली देयर हैज बीन अ पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू दैट इंडस्ट्री representatives they wanted to express their point of view. So the change here in this post budget conference is that in addition to those 3 sessions we have industry session where industry representatives will be expressing their point of view. So that's a change. Hopefully that will be taken positively, and once we get a positive note from all the 3 stations. Hopefully that would continue in the times to come. So let's take things forward at different stations and embark on the journey of knowledge, definitely thought process, and take things forward. We welcome you again for this session and next 8 hours, 6 hours, I think, and looking forward to take things forward in all those stations. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Zishan Ijaz, for your wonderful words. And this is a great start, I believe. And ladies and gentlemen, this is time to part with our Islamabad and Karachi of centers. And for next 2 hours, we would be having a solo flight. Thank you very much, Karachi. Thank you very much, Islamabad.
Thank you, Asim.